place, I just want to go over several dwarf planets, which people claim are Planet X or Nibiru, or some kind of bringer of destruction. Let's try and defeat this bullshit fear. The dwarf planet Makemake, officially known as 136472 Makemake, was discovered on 31st of March 2005 and was announced as a dwarf planet on the 11th of June 2008. It's a trans-Neptunian object because it orbits the Sun after Neptune. It's called Makemake after the god of the ancient civilization that lived on Easter Island. It was nicknamed the Easter Bunny as it was discovered around Easter time. The International Astronomical Union said it wasn't a good name, so it was given the name Makemake. It's a rocky, icy planet, very far out, very cold, which poses no threat of any kind to the Earth or the inner solar system. It's so far out, it takes 308 years to complete a single orbit of the Sun. Its orbit is fairly elliptical, which varies between 45.791 astronomical units and 53.74 astronomical units. Some fearmongers, as soon as a planet is discovered, or a dwarf planet, they try and say that that is proof for their paranoid, fearful theories. Obviously, they're mistaken. Ceres is the smallest dwarf planet in the solar system, and it's the only dwarf planet in the main asteroid belt. It was discovered on January the 1st, 1801. It's named after an ancient Roman goddess. The goddess Ceres was responsible for growing of plants, the harvest, and motherly love. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union decided to upgrade Ceres from an asteroid to a dwarf planet. With a diameter of about 950 kilometers, Ceres is by far the largest and most massive object in the asteroid belt. Without any cause or consequence, there is no reason to assume or believe that Ceres poses any threat to the Earth. I have read what some conspiracy theorists have said on this object. They have suggested it is a moon of Nibiru, or it's the remains of a planet which once was destroyed by Nibiru. No evidence or proof has ever been brought forward. Ceres is not a Nibiru-like object or a danger to the Earth. The dwarf planet Eris is a trans-Neptunian object, bigger than Pluto. It's the largest dwarf planet known. At 2,400 kilometers in diameter, Eris orbits the Sun once every 557 years, and it has an elliptical, egg-shaped orbit, tilted at an angle of 44 degrees. It has a moon called Dysnomia. It was discovered on the 5th of January 2005. It was originally called Xena, after the main character of the television series Xena warrior princess. It was officially named Eris on September 13th, 2006. The name itself, Eris, is the Greek goddess of strife, discord, and rivalry. Under the specifications of what constitutes a planet, Eris, along with Pluto and the other dwarf planets, are recognised as being just that, dwarf planets. They are not recognised as being full planets, like with the larger bodies within the solar system. There has been a lot of fear-mongering about the possibility of Eris coming into the centre of the solar system, or by some quirk affecting the Earth. There is no proof of any kind that this will happen. It is merely wild speculation on the part of conspiracy theorists, and it serves no good purpose. It is completely unproven, and the facts, the genuine, solid facts, are easily attainable. The moon of Eris, Dysnomia, was discovered in 2005. Its name is derived from the ancient Greek, meaning lawlessness. The name also means the daughter of the Greek goddess Eris, so giving it that name is quite fitting. The reason why I mention this particular moon is because people have claimed that this is in fact a UFO. Dysnomia is, according to some people, a UFO.